Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2025 Cadillac OPTIQ Luxury featured in Radiant Red Tricoat with a noir interior. Under the hood sits an electric motor paired to an electric drive unit. Some features include heated front seats, heated steering wheel, Super Cruise, a glass roof, power liftgate, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have heated front seats, memory seating, as well as power seating and lumbar. Just below that, powered windows and mirrors. Here's our main AKG speaker. Taking a look at these seats. We have white stitching with black leather. And we can hop inside. Just to the left here, we have the power park brake and power liftgate controls. Taking a look at the steering wheel here. On the left side is the Super Cruise, as you can see along the top, with the heated steering wheel and forward collision alert. And to the right, we have our cluster as well as audio controls. Here is the cluster. And just to the right of that, here we have the infotainment screen. Go ahead and take a look, starting off with the audio here. It comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. Also check out the map and navigation here. And throwing it in reverse, here's the backup camera with the surround vision. Just below that, we have our climate controls. Below that, two USB-Cs with some storage. In the middle here, we have the infotainment screen controls, two cup holders, and the center console here. Popping that open, we have a wireless charging pad, storage up top, and a ton more down below. Top here, you'll find the digital rear view mirror. Just above that, OnStar and SOS. Hazards, of course, with two dome lights, a camera, and the power sunshade. Here is the glass roof. And here is the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels. We have black mirror caps, color matched door handles with keyless entry, and privacy tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back, have the monochromatic Cadillac badge, as well as the OPTIQ, and we can open it up here by just double clicking on the key fob, and it's going to pop open. We have a ton of storage space back here. We can drop these rear seats, making extra space. Lights on the other side for added visibility, and we can also go ahead and check out the hidden storage down below. It's a very spacious rear, and we can close it up by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door. We have powered windows, cup holder down below. There's a 60-40 seat split. And we can hop inside. In the back of each seat, we have magazine holders. In the middle are rear vents, two USBs with a 3-prong outlet. Up at the top, handles paired with a dome light and an AKG speaker matched on the other side. And in the middle here, we can drop this down to reveal an armrest with two cup holders. We get a great view of the glass roof, and here's a view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2025 Cadillac OPTIQ Luxury. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.